official music video. And I think this is brand new, so we're gonna check this out and see what's going on. Wow, 4-wheel. Yo, I'm a person who ride motorcycle, but I've never ridden one of those 4-wheels cycle ever.
Straight from the S.
Cherry and coke got me levitating, feeling like Hunch from elevating. Damian Marley's medication, more money that you make means more pagans. They spade up on the Tinchy wave.
That's true. More money I make, more pagan, more problem for real. But I feel only way that carry them if you stick around the pagans. If you stay far from them, I think you'll be alright.
From UK, working with like a flame. Took him to the hood, showed him what's good. See him in Dalston, chilling with Mother Mook. It's mad, yeah, it gets like that. D-Block Europe, done it with young ads.
You know what? I like the dancehall type of flow. Normally you hear the British type flow, but in this I hear more like a dancehall type vibes.
Out to the ends, South link up with LOX, man, them stars
Dancehall mixed with his
crazy.
English
If
accent.
you're from the hood, then you've been wavy. Time is money and money's what pays me. Taking my brothers out of mental slavery. Bag a man trapped in the Donyor's madness. Alhamdulillah, going hard on my ad-libs. Spaz on the beat, had it flipping like a backflip. Man, I got the bars, don't think you can match this. Switch up the flow, let me jump on the vocals. I could do anti or I could be social. Man, I got the logic, but I reason with Pro Tools. Coach Carter, you're a schoolboy, I coach you. Dwayne and Sean,
Yo, you know what about say, yo, you're a schoolboy. I will coach you. You know, like when school have them football team and them coach. So basically, he might be the coach and show them how the ropes should go, isn't it?
Little Wayne, I'm here for the peas, not here for the fame. Socials won't see my Cartier. Now flex, keep cool now. Murder Inc. only Jack can rule ya. So they go on, keep it cool now. And don't let the system fool ya. Now flex, keep cool now. Murder Inc. only Jack can rule ya. So they go on, keep it cool now.
Hey.
And don't let the system fool ya. Now flex, now flex.
Yo, the white girl beside him, is like probably she the dancer because she have like rhythm. You can know when a person have rhythm, even though she not dance, but she sit down. That's the way she move and she have rhythm with it.
Now flex, now flex. Don't
She
let the
lively.
system
Me I watch
fool
everybody in the video now.
Don't let the
Me I watch
system
everything in the
fool
video.
ya.
So me clear
Link
everything
up
what I
from
want.
north down to junction. Miss me with all that corruption. My mind's got a legal function, but illegal might be the justice. Few joke man fool ya. Now flex, now flex.
Nah, flex, nah, flex. She have style, bro. She have look flair, you know? She have a
Don't
vibe,
let the
bro.
system fool ya. Now flex, keep cool now.
She think like one have more lively, like she lively as hell. You know, she gets take some aspirin or something to move extra strength.
Now flex, keep cool now. Murder Inc. only Jack can rule ya. So they go on.
Yeah, to official impact, elevating. You see me? Nice dancehall type. It's a dancehall type flow more than anything else. Cause at first I was like, wait, this sound more, you know? Like it. The elevating song, mostly like a motivation song for elevating myself. And but when him say the pagans and everything, when you get make money, don't stick around pagans. If you want to help the community, but upon like seeing experience and seeing stuff happen before, it's best if you leave and stay far, because it makes sense to stay on pagan after that. Eventually pagan are gonna destroy you. That's just things what I've seen before. But anyway guys, this is another reaction video. Peace out.